Hello, this is Greg House, owner of House Inspection Services, license number 9986 out of Dallas, Texas. I just want to show you something that I found on this roof today down here in the downtown Dallas area. As I'm walking along here, I get over to the furnace exhaust and you can see how that has been capped off. Let me get over here where you can see this. What somebody has done is they've actually come up here with a kitchen pot. You can see where the handle used to be there, and then what they did is they bolted this right over the top. You can see the bolts there sticking out. So sometime at the past on this exhaust flue here off this furnace, the exhaust cap probably blew off or got damaged, and in order to prevent any rain or anything from getting down in there, they just went to the kitchen counter and got themselves a pot, came up here, bolted it on. So that's going to be restricting the airflow and the proper exhaust from the furnace. It's completely improper. As a matter of fact, you can see what it's doing to the roof there right underneath. So definitely going to be recommending that they talk to an AC guy about getting a proper exhaust flue back on this furnace. This is Greg House, owner House Inspection Services. Thank you.